This Sri Lankan butter cake is a timeless classic. It is moist, soft, and buttery. I cannot believe how something so simple can taste this good. It's like the cake your grandma might have made, perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Here is the traditional Sri Lankan butter cake recipe my friend Nadee shared with me.
To make this Sri Lankan butter cake, start by mixing 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons or 250 grams of unsalted and soft room temperature butter until it is light and creamy. Next, gradually add 1 1/4 cups or 250 grams of caster sugar to the batter. Start by mixing in half of the sugar, then add the rest of the sugar and mix until everything is smooth and there are no lumps. Next, add 5 medium-sized eggs to the mixture. Start by adding 3 eggs and mix until the batter is smooth and well blended. Then, add the remaining 2 eggs and mix thoroughly to ensure everything is evenly incorporated. Next, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and give the ingredients another good mix. Using a sifter, sift 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is 250 grams, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder into the mixing bowl. Once sifted, mix the cake batter thoroughly until it is smooth and there are no lumps. Next, mix in 3 tablespoons of room temperature milk and give it a quick mix. Then, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and give it a final mix. Once your cake batter is mixed, prepare a square baking dish by rubbing the bottom and sides with butter to prevent sticking. Pour the cake batter into the prepared dish and ensure it is level. Bake the butter cake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes. You will know the cake is ready when the top is golden brown and your kitchen smells amazing and a toothpick comes out clean from the center. Once the cake is ready, let it cool for 10 minutes and then cut it into pieces and enjoy.
If you liked this moist and soft Sri Lankan butter cake, then you are absolutely going to love this popular Sri Lankan love cake recipe here. Check it out now.